Ever feel like your wardrobe isn't doing you justice? Or wonder how to truly command a room with your presence? You're not alone. Today I'm diving into the top 10 style questions that everybody is searching for. And I'll give you practical, no fluff, answers to elevate your style game fast. If you don't know me, my name is Celeste. I'm a certified image consultant, and I help entrepreneurs, C-suites, and influencers discover and master their own unique style so that they can truly command any room that they walk into. The first question is, how do I find my personal style? Now, I've been asked this question over and over, and I hope that today I can break this down for you. I want you to first reflect on your lifestyle. Where do you spend most of your time? At work? Doing errands, at home, a home office, casual outings? Start thinking about where you spend most of your time and then break it down into a pie chart. This is really helpful so that you can focus more on your personal style in each area, but also where you spend most of your time. The second step, I would say, identify what's already in your closet. I like to say, let's personal shop in your closet first. What makes you feel confident? Or what makes you feel comfortable? Because if you go into your closet and you feel like nothing resonates with you, or you just still have no idea, then maybe it's time to bring in someone like me so that I can help you figure that out. Number 3 is create a Pinterest mood board. Start going through different style icons that you believe are style icons. Maybe they're celebrities or musicians or actors that you see and you like that style. Go ahead and create a Pinterest board around that. Create a Pinterest board around colors that you like, that you're drawn to, images. And this will help you create more a cohesive look of what your personal style may be. Here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to experiment. We all go through different seasons in our lives, and our style can change. It can change due to age, it can change due to environment, and it can also change due to a new job. Start with small pieces and integrating them into your wardrobe and see what you think. Have fun with it. The second question is, what color best suits me? Now, I get asked this all the time, and it's a very complex answer, and I hope that I can solve some of your issues with this question. The first step is really to understand your personality. Who are you at your core? Do you have more yin energy? Are you softer, more quiet? Do you have more yang energy? Are you loud and more extroverted? Or maybe you're somewhere in between. Also, what do you like to do in your free time? What makes you passionate in life? It can be a hobby. Are you active? Do you like adventures? So start thinking about who you are. The next question is, what is your undertone? Now, this can be quite confusing. If you don't have a proper 4x4 color analysis, there's not many ways to figure out your undertone. Although I will give you a couple keys. That doesn't mean that this is correct. It just means look at your eyes, hair, your skin, right? We have warm elements and cool elements. If you have more warm elements, you could be a warm undertone. If you have more cool elements, you could be a cool undertone. But there could be those people that have warm and cool, so it can be tricky. I would definitely invest in a 4x4 color analysis so that you can really truly know what color best suits you. There's another way that you can play around with what is your undertone. Put gold up to your face and silver up to your face. Which one brightens your eyes a little bit more? What makes them look a little more dull? Maybe you look more tired when you put gold up to your face because you're a cool undertone. And maybe if you're a warm undertone, that silver really clashes with all of your features. Like I said, there are people that can wear silver and gold as well. So play around with some pieces and see what feels good for you. Another way to tell is use your 4x4 color analysis tools that you have. This happens to be my color palette. These are my 60 best colors because I'm a toned spring. And when you have a tool like this, it's really helpful to shop for clothes, to shop for makeup. And a really fun, cool fact on the back of these color wheels has the name of the color, has the undertone of the color, how to use it in your wardrobe, and also the meaning behind the color. Now, again, color psychology is super powerful, but those are some ways that you can understand what colors best suit you. The third question is, how do I look taller and slimmer? Everybody wants to look taller and slimmer. So here, let me break this down. The first thing I'm going to recommend is wear monochromatic colors. What's monochromatic? It is head to toe the same color. Now, let's use green, for example. It doesn't have to be all the same green from head to toe. Similar is fine, or different shades within that color. So say it's a gray green, and now you wear a darker gray green up top, or wherever the problems that you want to diminish, wear the darker color. But when you wear monochromatic head to toe, it will draw the eye up and down. It will lengthen, which in turn makes you look taller. Opt for vertical stripes. Vertical stripes also bring the eye up and down, which creates and lengthens. When you wear a horizontal line, that is when you're adding weight. So please, if you have an area that you want to diminish, make sure you're adding vertical or monochromatic, no horizontal lines. For some people, you can wear high-waisted skirts and pants, and that actually makes your legs look longer. Use a pointed toe shoe, which has a lengthening effect as well. Having a perfect fitted outfit shows that you have less weight if you wanted to look slimmer. When you actually add more clothes or you have baggy clothes, you're adding bulk, which adds weight to the look of you. So keep that in mind next time you have the question, what makes you look taller and slimmer? The fourth question is, what's the secret to always looking polished? First and foremost is tailoring. Now, you know me, or if you don't know, I am a big proponent for tailored custom clothes. But if you're not in the market for custom clothing, make sure that you invest in a good tailor, because they can truly make any outfit fit you perfectly, which again looks polished and professional. When you have ill-fitting clothes, it looks messy and not polished. Fabric matters, guys. Having good quality fabric, not only doesn't it wrinkle, but it wears well and it washes well. And you can see the look of a good quality fabric. That also will make you look more polished. Adding accessories can really add a level up in professionalism and just more luxury. Think of a pearl, a gold, anything that you can add to your outfit will create a more polished look. I even like, if you're a guy, add a beautiful watch. A girl can add a nice handbag or a scarf or all the above. Make sure that shoes and belts are really well kept and a high shine leather. That's also very polished. All right, guys, I gotta talk about it. Hygiene. Yes, that's a shower. That's your grooming. Do you take care of your skin? Is that maintaining a beard if you're a guy, and a haircut? And for a woman, polished, hair brushed, done well. Whether it's up or down, make sure you're keeping everything well kept. This is also nails. Make sure that your nails are kept well. They're either cut, short, trim, clean for a guy. For a woman, still they should be clean, but they can be polished. And if you have chip nails, just go get them done, because if they're not well kept, people will notice, especially when you shake hands, and you don't want that. Another way to always looking polished is add a blazer. A blazer will truly elevate any outfit. Whether you have a t-shirt on underneath, a button-up, you pair it with jeans or with a suit pant, this will always elevate you and look more polished. Number 5, what's the best way to dress for my body shape? Let me just break down 4 common body shapes that a lot of people have questions about. And the first one is a triangle, which some people will call pear. I do not like to use fruit for body types. But a triangle, in essence, is a larger bottom and a smaller top. One way to do that is to wear A-line skirts to highlight the waist. You're also balancing the body at this point. Adding volume to the top of the body, or this is where you could wear horizontal lines to create the eye going from left to right. This will add more weight up top, which in essence will balance you and you'll look more proportionate. A round or oval, also known as the apple, I would opt for empire waists that actually make you look like you have more of a slimmer waist. And I suggest flowy fabrics that flow on the body, nothing too structured that you are going to pronounce that area any more than it already is. Also, another key is to wear those monochromatic colors with this body type. This will truly help elongate you and make you look more slim. The next is the rectangle shape. Add curves with belts, add a peplum top, and even structured jackets. This way, you're creating a proportionate look as well. The hourglass figure. Emphasize your curves with fitted clothes and wrap dresses. Now, the hourglass is strictly for a woman's body. The next question is, how do I elevate my casual look? One way to do that is adding a tailored jacket to a t-shirt and jeans. This will instantly elevate a casual look. Swap those sneakers for leather loafers and or ankle boots. This will instantly elevate a casual look. Incorporate statement jewelry or a handbag. Put a nice handbag up to any outfit, or beautiful statement jewelry, whether it's earrings, necklace, a watch, will instantly elevate you and look more professional from casual to professional. You may want to layer with texture with a scarf or a hat. Again, this will add some depth and it'll take away from it being very casual. Focus on layering and accessories. They make any outfit look intentional. The next question, number 7, is how do I build a wardrobe on a budget? I always say start with essential items first. That's like a white shirt, a dark denim, and neutral blazers. You can shop secondhand stores or vintage stores. They may have a find that you can get there, a very nice high-end piece for less money or gently used for really a fraction of the price. You can wait for sales like investment pieces, which are jackets and high-end shoes. That's always a way to cut the cost back from something that's typically hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars. I would say set a budget and stick to it and don't get distracted with trendy items. Always buy more quality than quantity if you can, because at the end of the day, you're going to get more wear from that item after you wear it multiple times, after you wash it multiple times, and it's still going to be good quality. So maybe an initial investment that you think is pricey may actually be cheaper, because when you break it down, when your cost per wear, say if you wore a jacket that was $2,000 and you wore that jacket 2,000 times, you're getting it, you're wearing it for $1 each time. Now that was an extreme version, but you get the point. If you're purchasing an item that's $100 and you get one wash out of it and it's ruined, that was a $100 item. That question number 8, how do I stay stylish without following trends? This is such a big question, guys, because everybody feels like they have to be in the trend. They have to dress this way. And by the time we know what's trendy, it's already out of fashion. So don't keep up with the trend. This is my suggestion. Always know what's in trend, but invest in timeless, stylish pieces. For example, trench coat, black trousers, leather jackets. Those are timeless pieces. Mix in unique accessories like scarves or jewelry to reflect your personality. You can use subtle current trends like the color, for example. And if that's not your color, then maybe a small accessory that you're not spending a lot of money on, like a scarf or a shoe. Don't let trends dictate your wardrobe. This is when you're going to epically fail every time. Focus on what flatters you the most with color, with your personality, with your style, and with your body type. Number 9 is, what do I wear for that professional photo shoot or my next speaking engagement? All right, the first thing is choose solid colors that not only complement your skin, but your brand. Avoid busy patterns and logos. They're only going to distract people if you're speaking on stage and even in the photos. They also distract from your face. Avoid shiny fabrics as well. Shiny fabrics can really be distorting, and they can also distract if you're on stage. I would opt for structured clothing for photographs, like blazers and well-fitted dresses. Layer strategically for depth. The eye wants to see something interesting. So when you layer, then that creates the depth, like a blazer over a blouse. Also, test your outfits beforehand and make sure that you're in good natural light. Number 10 is, how do I transition my wardrobe into different seasons? Now, this is very common, guys. The first, I would say, use layers. Add lightweight cardigans and scarves and jackets as we get colder into spring and autumn. You can even add tights if you're a lady. That adds some extra warmth if you're wearing skirts. Invest in transitional pieces. A trench coat or ankle boots are great pieces. Incorporate seasonal accessories. For example, straw hats in the summer, in the winter, gloves. Stick to neutral base color core pieces and add accessories to really add seasonal touches. Styles don't have to be complicated or overwhelming. With these steps, you're one step closer to feeling confident, to commanding any room, and owning your own unique look. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, guys, and follow me for more fashion, style, personal branding tips that are designed just for you. And tell me in the comments which question you'd like me to dive in deeper on a next episode. Thank you.